2nd October is a great day for India as the country celebrates birth anniversary of the father of our nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Not only that, but the world celebrates this auspicious day as International Day for Non-Violence to pay respect and acceptance to the true spirit of non-violence promoted by Gandhiji throughout his life. Gandhianism starts with the famous line, simple living and high thinking. On this occasion, let's remember the words of Albert Einstein on Gandhiji. Generations to come will scarce believe that such a one as this ever in flesh and blood walked upon this earth. Yes, Gandhiji, who on the basis of his exemplary and inspiring life and work became an icon and ideal, not only for his contemporaries all over the world, but equally for generations to come. He was an ordinary man with an extraordinary willpower to live his life according to the principles of truth and non-violence.
It is indeed rare for someone to create as great an impact on a nation as Mahatma Gandhi did with India. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who has the honorific Mahatma added to his name, was an Indian lawyer, politician and anti-colonial nationalist. He came into this world on 2nd October 1869. This great personality was born in an Indian Gujarati family. The training of this man took place at the Inner Temple in London. The making of his greatness took place in South Africa. It was here that Mahatma Gandhi spent a significant part of his life. When Mahatma Gandhi came to South Africa, he had to deal with racial discrimination due to his skin color. Furthermore, in South Africa, he raised his family. Most noteworthy, it was here that Gandhi fought for civil rights by employing non-violent resistance. Incidents happened during rail journey and similar such events of pure racial discrimination were certainly instrumental in shaping the ideology of this great man. Ultimately, Mahatma Gandhi began to question the standing of his people in British Empire.
The Champaran Satyagraha was the first Satyagraha movement led by Mahatma Gandhi in India. It was a farmers' uprising that took place in Champaran district of Bihar during British colonial period. Next is historically relevant Dandi March and Dandi Satyagraha. It was an act of non-violent civil disobedience in colonial India. The 24-day march lasted as a direct action campaign of tax resistance and non-violent protest against the British salt monopoly. The non-cooperative movement was one of the biggest mass movements India had ever observed. The reason which made Indians join the movement was the malice act of the British government at Jallianwala Bagh massacre, which had shaken the Indian sentiments. Mahatma Gandhi raised the slogan of "Do or Die" in Quit India movement, vibrated every hook and corners of India. As Jawaharlal Nehru said, at the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. In 1947, India became independent. What makes Mahatma Gandhi unique? It was his insistence on non-violence, resistance to injustice.
Even as the years roll by, the Gandhian principle remain evergreen and hold the power to enlighten the entire world. His simple life, rich values and enriching wisdom made him uproot the mighty British Empire. On the pillars of truth and non-violence, he offers solutions to various problems such as the problems of society, economy, etc. Tolerance in the society will help in neutralizing the ethnocentric bias that is taking place on different parts of the globe on the basis of caste, creed, region, religion, etc. Earth has enough for human needs, but not for human greeds. These are the lines of Mahatma Gandhi, which shows that how human behavior destroys the nature and reflect the importance of sustainable mode of living.
Gandhiji's life is a milestone in the Indian history. His life has indeed a message that is relevant till the mankind exists. The way he chooses the ideologies of ahimsa seems little easy, but it needs a kind and a strong mind to adopt those ideologies in one's life. Taking revenges and spreading non-violence is not a big deal, but having patience, forgiving one and adopting non-violence matters more. Thank you.